Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little quick one of overview of the truck. This is our 2006 F250 Powerstroke. It is a 6.0 turbo diesel four-wheel drive. We're going to go with the Cosmetic Mods first. As you see up front, we do have a brand new, I believe it is a Harley Davidson style grille with a nice black badge. Replaced both headlights in the truck with a OEM style clear, and then we put on a set of 11 to 14 tow mirrors with a smoked lens on the side. Went with clear cab lights. We also have a nice true spike antenna over there. Sets the truck off a whole lot better than that long factory one. And to be honest with you, the reception inside is just the same as it was factory. Nothing really changed. I like it overall, and plus it gives an appearance better on the truck. So go with the wheels. We have a set of 2212 American Force acids wrapped in a Toyo Open Country AT with a 33 1250 22. The truck is currently on a 2-inch level with leveling springs and bigger shocks up front, bigger shocks in the rear, and it has a block on the leaf pack. We also got a set of tinted taillights. They are an LED. I have to get an LED reverse light for it, but nobody can really tell. It's just so bright anyway. Gen Y hitch. This is the 16,000 pound. It's a 4-drop. Or no, it's a 3-drop with a 1 raise. And I also got the braces to be able to mount it to the frame. If you look under there, I also polished the tip. Got the whole undercoat done, the axles, the suspension, the frame, everything. We also got a set of Wilwood 6-piston brakes for the front and the rear. It is an oversized brake. I definitely wanted to stop on this truck. We haven't quite got in our third brake light yet. It's supposed to be here soon. Alright, so we're going to go underneath the hood of this bad boy here. As like I said before, this is a 6.0 turbo diesel. It has a KC Stage 2 turbo on it. It has a set of aftermarket up pipes. We also did a set of 190 over, what do you say, 30 injectors in it. It's got all Rudy's, hot side, cold side. Let's see. We did the SNB cold air filter on top of the Rudy's. I think this is a 4-inch pipe here. Went ahead and upgraded to a 48 volt Thickum. A set of brand new interstate batteries. Put a Mishimoto trans cooler in because we upgraded the trans, but we'll get to that.
The EGT Pro.
We put a SCT live wire tuner on the truck, and it has a SCT EGT probe drilled into the manifold, so now I can view my EGTs. And I tell you, being able to see how hot the truck's actually getting definitely helps. So I guess that's going to be it for underneath the hood. If anybody's got any questions, definitely let us know in the comments below. I've done replaced the boots on this thing probably 6 times, by the way. Went ahead, upgraded the transmission, and the torque converter is a precision triple disc billet torque converter with a Rudy's fully built transmissions. Got billet inputs, billet outputs, billet drive gears, planetaries, everything you can think of, completely done. And you see that nice mag high-tech deep oil pan on there. I've got some upgrades coming soon to make it match a little better. Let's see, I'll show you guys some of this undercoating. I don't know how much you're gonna be able to see, but the truck wasn't rusty at all anyway. So, but I don't know if they blasted it off or they sanded it off or whatever they did. They got all the old crap off and fully did new all the way around the whole entire truck, front and rear. My opinion, looks absolutely fantastic.